Every day, businesses waste countless hours extracting data manually from invoices, contracts, forms, and reports. It's slow, error-prone, and costly. But what if all of that changed in seconds? The TheAiExtract, not just another tool, a game changer. Manual data entry isn't just tedious, it holds back growth. Errors creep in, deadlines slip, compliance risks rise. As workloads increase, scaling operations becomes harder, and productivity suffers. What sets the TheAiExtract apart isn't just AI plus OCR, it's how we do it. The system improves with every document, learns layout quirks. You're never locked into blind automation. You have control for audits, corrections, robust encryption, audit trails, compliance with data protection standards. For contracts, for invoices, for legal docs. Each has different needs, and we tailor. The TheAiExtract isn't limited to one sector, it's transforming entire industries. Speeds up contract reviews, highlights critical clauses, and ensures compliance deadlines aren't missed. Automatically processes claim forms, extracts policy details, and flags anomalies for faster settlements. Simplifies onboarding by extracting key data from resumes, IDs, and compliance forms, cutting down paperwork delays. Streamlines patient records, admission forms, and billing documents, improving accuracy and accelerating care delivery. Transforms invoices, receipts, and expense sheets into clean, structured data, ready for your ERP or accounting software. The workflow couldn't be simpler. Step 1. Upload your documents. Step 2. Let the TheAiExtract's AI engine process and extract data instantly. Step 3. Your information is ready for action, seamlessly integrated into your systems. Simple, seamless, scalable. Stop wasting time on manual tasks. Start transforming your workflows today.